Hello viewers and welcome to Unicorp's add-on demonstration series. Myself Shivam Bhanot and I'm working as a business analyst with Unicorp's Business Solution. In this particular demonstration video, we'll be focusing on the seamless WhatsApp integration solution by Unicorps for the SAP Business One. So without wasting any time, here you can see we have logged into our system. This particular UI is familiar with many of you, and here at the bottom you can see we have the Unicorps Plus suite. Under the Unicorps Plus suite we have the WhatsApp module. When I drill down to the WhatsApp menu, I have my sub menus related to the masters. We have the certain transaction windows as well as the complete status report. When I click on the masters, here you can see we have certain menus related to WhatsApp configurations, a one-time configuration which can be done according to the business account which you have purchased with the WhatsApp. So accordingly, those setups with your password, domains, etc. can be done. Further, we have the WhatsApp document master where we can create certain messages for different documents. For what particular document we need what message that should be triggered through the WhatsApp to our customers. So under the document type, we can select our particular document, whatsoever document we are preparing, whether AR invoices, AP invoices, sales orders, credit memos, all these different type of documents. According to the license aspect, whatsoever license we take, according to that, we can easily select those particular document and we can give the document name. Further, we can give the trigger on which particular trigger, whether when we add that particular document to SAP, the alert should be triggered automatically on update whenever the document updated, whenever the document closed, or when it is cancelled. So all these events we can send. Accordingly, content, we want to send only a message on WhatsApp, we want to send a report with the message, or we want to send the message as well as the layout. So accordingly, we select those particular options. When I talk about the mobile number, WhatsApp mobile number, where we want to trigger these messages, we have given a WhatsApp UDF on the business partner master data. You can send your WhatsApp message to them. Either we can set to the contact person, to sales employee selected for that particular customer, owner of that particular customer, or any external query if required. Plus here you can see that we have a very user-friendly system where we can draft a message and easily select any particular line. Like if you want to mention the GST transaction type, I can like GST type and I can just click on transaction type, and that particular feed, the dynamic feed that will be updated in the message, that will come automatically, and we can add this particular master. So accordingly, this particular master can be generated, and I'll go back to the transaction type where I will create a sales order, and I'll showcase you how in real time this message with the layout will be triggered. So this is my complete BP master data. I'll select my customer, I'll select my item, and normally add a transaction document. So accordingly, once the complete document is created, and once you add this particular document in this system, so accordingly in just real time the message will be triggered to in this system, and accordingly on your customers WhatsApp account they will receive the message with the layout. So you can see on the bottom here it shows operation complete, and accordingly WhatsApp message has been sent successfully. Now when I go to my WhatsApp account, here you can see at 8:18 I have received my message, dear customer name, the sales order number successfully added on date, and the amounts are available. So accordingly, when I choose this particular layout and I open this, here's the sales order layout which is created, the crystal layout which is at the back end of my sales order. So that is also received in real time by the user. Plus we have certain added functionalities for this particular WhatsApp feature. In the transactions, here you can see we have the complete payment reminder where you can send all those pending payment reminders directly to your business customers, to your business partners. You can select those particular business partners, you can fetch the outstandings, and you can just add that particular data, and in real time all those reminders will be sent on the WhatsApp of your customers, and accordingly they can stay updated, and all those pending payments can be initiated. Plus, if I talk about the events, so generally we tend to wish our customers on certain events. So accordingly, we can create an event master, and accordingly we can create events. For example, we are creating an event for SAP customers. I select the occasion for Diwali. I select whether I want to send this to event to customers, vendors, or to lead. So accordingly, all those customers who have WhatsApp activated on the business partner window, so those will come up here. We can select those particular customers, and accordingly we can send the file, a PNG file attached with all those messages to our customers accordingly. And in regards to this, we also have the complete functionality of sending multiple messages. If I talk in respect to, if we want to send their multiple messages, you don't want to have a manual interface where a user is sending multiple messages again and again. So we have the complete bulk message options too. You can select your particular type, sales type, and you can easily show all those documents in accordance to that what particular document were created, and you can select those document and you can process. So we can create certain bulk WhatsApp messaging process too. Further, we have the reports. So the complete status report we can also receive if we select our document type or on basis of BP code or posting date. So when I click on OK, I have my complete reporting whatsoever documents were sent by report. When I select the check status, so you can see upon the check status, it will showcase you this particular message were delivered successfully and were sent to the user. So accordingly, all those real-time updations are also received in the system itself. So seamless integration with the WhatsApp business account attached with the SAP Business One, that can be easily done through the Unicorps Plus suite. Thanks for joining this video. Thank you.